Let's take a look at how to use the ERIC database to find academic sources. First, go to the Western Library's homepage. Under Research Tools, select Library Databases. We're looking for ERIC, so I'll select E. And if I scroll down a little bit, I'll find 3 different ERICs to choose from. And I'll select ERIC from EBSCO. Here I'll have to do the universal login, and that'll take me to the ERIC homepage. The first thing you'll want to do is think of some keywords to help you find information about the topic that you are researching. For this example, I'm going to use ADHD and college students. Then I'm going to hit the search button, and you'll see I have 489 results. If I want to narrow those down a little bit, I can use the filters on top. For example, peer-reviewed, or if it's from an academic journal or a book. I'm going to select academic journals and hit apply, and then you can scroll down through the search results to see if there's anything interesting. If you're having a hard time finding things and you need different keywords, ERIC has a really helpful thesaurus tool. I'm going to select Advanced Search in the upper right corner, and down from the main search fields, you'll see 3 tabs. I'm going to select Subjects, and right here, if I click in the search term that I just used and hit this little hourglass search button over to the right, I can scroll down and look at other terms that might be relevant. And you can click on those terms to see the definition and scroll down a little bit more to see other possible terms you could use in your search. So here it says broader terms, attention deficit disorders. I'm going to try that. And if I look down, I can see related terms, and I find executive function or neurodevelopmental disorders, and I can add these terms to my search. And you can see up above, it was populated in that field. And then I can hit search again. Another way to find different relevant terms is by finding an article that's fairly relevant and clicking on that and then scrolling down to see the descriptors. In the search results, it'll show you right away if you have full access to the article. And you can just click that button and you can maybe download the full text or sometimes just read it online. If we don't have immediate access to it, you can click the Find It button, and this will take you back to Western Library's OneSearch. And under the How to Get It area, you can see if we have that information in Summit, which is one of our partner libraries, or if you can request an interlibrary loan. And if you want to do that, you just click the button, and the interlibrary loan form will pop up. A lot of the fields will be populated already. You can add more information if you can, and then just submit that. Keep in mind there is some wait time for interlibrary loan, so if you're a procrastinator like me, you might want to keep searching. Another cool part of ERIC's advanced search is using the limiters. So I popped in a keyword, and right next to it says all fields, but you can choose different fields. For example, if you want ADHD in the title of the article or document, you can choose that. Or if you have a specific journal that was recommended to you, or a certain author you're looking for. And for more help, check out the menu on the left, and there's easy links to the Hackerill Research and Writing Studio, which is a great resource to help you find sources and learn how to use them. There's more databases that the library has access to, a direct link to the interlibrary loan, and a link to Zotero Research Management, which is a really cool software that helps you organize all the great sources you're going to find.